Well, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to organize your Trello. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we get started. However, I want to quickly go ahead and start the video. So first of all, we click on create a workspace. We create it, and then we're going to click on workspace name, and then we're going to say tacos are great. So let's say this is my own company, and then we're going to click create the workspace type. I'm going to click on marketing, and then the description should be like what your purpose is. My purpose is to create a workspace. So you just write stuff write stuff that are funny, and then you're gonna click on create a new board, and then we're gonna choose the background, and the board title should be organization Trello. So this is our word board title, and then we're gonna click on create. And then, so to organize it, you first have to write the things that you are doing. So let's say that you have a business that needs three steps. So first we need the production. So production items, we're gonna click on add a card. So this is the production items that we're going to be listing. So let's say that we're selling business cards, and we need to order the business cards from the vendor. So business card for John. You can add one more card. You can add as many as you want. You can like easily add it. And let's say that the John is done. So this is the production, shipping to the customer. So you can easily create a workflow. So business card for John, you can like pull it here, and then you can um, pull it to that middle section. Let's say that the shipping is done with the customer. Like we ship the product, and you can like put it over here. Like let's say it's done and it's received. So received to the customer. And you can also add another list by saying customer service problems, and you can easily like list them out as well. So you can add the list, and then you can like scoot it down here, and you can also put a place where it's done. So you're done with the business card for John, like you're done, like you don't have to do anything. So you can easily create a workflow using Trello. And so that's how you organize it. And you can also change the Trello organization. Let's say that you want to change it. So this is for the business cards. Let's say you had like different businesses. You're selling for business cards, you're selling like phone cases, whatever you want. You can easily use it. So workspace is visible. The board is also here. You can click on like different things. You can change them. You can change the way it looks. You can add a card, copy the list. You can move the list. Also, you can create like automation based on that. So let's say that I have a card named ASD. We ship it to the customer, so the shipping is waiting here. When it's done, you can do received and customer service, and you can click on done, or you can delete them if you want. You can also add members to your Trello website. I mean your workspace. You can click on add. However, I will be doing a different video for that, so please make sure to subscribe. So workspace settings are also here. You can click on workspace settings and change the way it looks. You can also upgrade it if you want. So you can go to workspaces, and also click on the start free trial. If you want, you can get on the premium feature by getting started on the free premium feature. There's automation and power-ups. However, I'm going to be explaining them in a different video. So that's how you organize a workspace. You can click on them, and you can change the members that are visible. So let's say you have a human resource management team. You can also teach them how to use it. There's checklists that you can do. You can add a checklist by clicking here and add an item. Let's say shipping. So you can like easily like add a checklist, and you can mark them down if they're done. You can also add dates that are going to be visible, so you can easily create a workflow. And you can also attach things. Let's say you want to attach a Google Drive for your business computer, whatever you want, you can easily do that. There's also things like you can move, you can copy and you can also make a template if you want. So that's how you use Trello. That's how you organize your board. It's easy to organize, guys. Make sure to add your um, things correct, or else they will get um, mixed by other things, and it will be so hard. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.